Yo, what's good? How's it going? Doggo te. You good? I'm good. You good? We're good. Anyway, uh, project. We're calling this the Jeep project. I have a Jeep, own a Jeep, and the project for that is headliner. Working on a headliner for a Jeep that I purchased. Originally came without a headliner, but searching online and such, came across a guy selling a Jeep, a two-door Jeep, because mine's a two-door, and I got a hold of him and scored me a headliner. So it's pretty beat up and messed up and ugly, but I'm gonna see if I can try to fix it up, revive it, make it better, and see if it works and put it into my Jeep. Here it is. Has all the old residue on there. You're gonna have to scrape all that off, which I got most of it off already. There's all the old residue on there, so I'm gonna spray a new residue on that along with the headliner fabric. Got in the gray. It's pretty beat up because obviously it's been out of a Jeep that's been sitting for a while, and it looks pretty ugly and torn up, so all the fabric would cover up all of that. So it's kind of hard to actually come across some of these headliners. Most of the Jeeps that I know don't come with it because it's a mess and people just don't like their headliners hanging off into your Jeep, so they just take it out completely and are okay with it. I'm fine with it. I've been fine without it, but I kind of want to make it a little better than how it is, so I'm gonna attempt to make it better, and I can have insulation as well, because when it gets cold in my Jeep. My Jeep's pretty much an ice box. It takes a long time to warm up. Hopefully with this being installed, it'll be a lot better, show a big difference. So yeah, let's get started. I got most of it off, or if not all of it off. Looks more better than before. You know, these little cuts and fabric kind of tearing off ain't really a big issue or deal to me, because it's just going to be covered up anyway with the fabric. Plus, once I start spraying it on, the glue will stick it together, so kind of like patching it up. So that's where I'm at right now, and see if I can get the spray out, and hopefully I got enough spray to keep it sticking. So it's the adhesive spray, so the glue, spray on glue, whatever it is, but it's for the headliner glue. So give it a try and put out the fabric on and just hope it sticks. Once it sticks, let it dry, then just install it, put this back into the Jeep. Alright, I got the adhesive spray, 3M. So it's supposed to bond heavyweight automotive fabric and foam headliner materials. So this here, got to spray all over the headliner, and of course put on over it, stick the fabric onto the headliner. Headliner magic. So got in a gray color, got on eBay for like 60-70 bucks, and voila, So hopefully this can will last me. If not, I'm gonna have to get a second can, but I think it should be able to, if one can should fit this. So let's get to it. Get this. I got it. So here it is. Just letting it dry now. So I just need to do the edges now. The last thing, tuck it in the back. This is, I flipped it over and I end up cutting the edges here so it can fold over. So that's what I did here. This is the back side of it. So I already sprayed the adhesive on there and stuck it to it, so it's sticking now, so it needs to dry. I'm probably just gonna leave that there. Maybe I don't have a light on my Jeep, so that's what it is for, the light. I don't have a light, so I'll just leave it closed. But I had to cut out these little holes here. This is where the visor is. This is the front part of the headliner, the visor part right here. So that's the front and that's the back. So I'm not really worried about the back either. But yeah, it's coming together again. Okay, I got all the edges now on the back part all glued, and I just overlapped them here. I don't see a big issue or a big deal about it. As long as it sticks and stays, I'm good with it. So okay, just taking off the trim there and the handle now. So for this one, you just pop off like that, and this one here is a hex. Let's pop that off. Your hex there, hex bolt, so you're gonna have to do that. And yeah, top, just gotta take the trims off and you're golden there. Put on the headliner, it should be all good. So you know, it's just screws here and there, and then for the handle is a hex screw. So, and then I gotta take the visors off as well, and that should be pretty much it. Then you put this on, put the headliner on, then you put the trims back on, and that should be able to hold your headliner here. So if you can do that, you can pretty much do anything. Okay. Okay, and there it is, your headliner installed. As I was saying, it didn't have a headliner when I first got the Jeep, so I had to go out there and look for one, and I found one from a two-door Jeep that was being parted out. So got my hands on it, took it all apart, and then ordered the headliner online, the new one. Got some adhesive spray and cleaned it off and put this on. Now it's installed and I have insulation now, so hopefully this will help me in the weather, you know, in the heat and the cold. So it's a lot better. I like it. It looks more clean than before. So just one of the projects here in the Jeep was meaning to get to it, so I finally got to it. Finally had time for it, and I like it. So there's the project headliner installed in a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep XJ. So I hope you like it, and I hope you learn something. You know, if you want to work on vehicles or something simple like this, and you pretty much have an idea of how it goes. It takes a lot of time, you know, a lot of effort, but in the end it pays off.